Okay, welcome back to Whiteboard. We are going to finish up the features of the toolbar. So before we go into the people and to the share button, we first got to add some pages to our whiteboard. So clicking on the page button, you will see that I just have a blank page here. Remember your page forward and page back, but I want to add some more pages. So let's add a brainstorming activity. So now you'll see that I have now 2 pages here. If I want this brainstorming activity to be my first page, I can simply click on these little dots here and I can delete that page. Now remember, this brainstorming activity, if you remember from the previous video, this is an overlay on that. So if you don't want it to move, simply click on those 3 little dots and click lock. Now I've locked the canvas into position and this is not going to move anymore. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to add another. So let's just talk about we've got our graphic organizers here. We got lots of different graphic organizers as well as manipulatives. Let's just go ahead and do a clock one. Now for this page, again, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to lock that canvas position so I'm not moving anything on the page. And then let's add another page. So we've got some local content here, which I don't have a whole anything there, but we do have some exit tickets. So we're going to do our KWLQ, and that will have users required. So that's an activity in itself. So looking at the pages now, I have 3 different activities. And this is a way that I can move between the different pages as needed to get to any of the different activities I have for the kids. You also have down here some more shouted out whole class activities. You can insert your own files. If you had a PDF that you wanted to bring in, a Google Doc that you wanted to bring in to add to the lesson, you can definitely do that. Or I can just add a whole nother blank page so I can just continue instructing on the whiteboard. So that is the pages. The next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go into sharing each one of these pages so that you know how to create an activity, interactivity